Today we are going to be taking a look at the Sagola Classic Lux spray gun. Presented in a yellow and black designed box detailing the specific model number and description. Turn your speakers up. Well, here it is, the Sagola Classic Lux. Available setups range from 1.4 to 2.5 depending on your application requirement. It has a nice matte chrome body, weighing in at just over 485 grams, 1.07 pounds. It's definitely not the lightest of guns on the market, but as a budget gun you can't complain. That being said, it feels nice in the hand. The trigger feels durable and responsive, and the control knobs on the gun have a great feel with their texture finish, which you'll benefit from when wearing PPE while using this gun. This model is the 1.8 with 40 nozzle, which is ideal for primers. Everything feels very well put together and durable. In summary about the gun, the control knobs have a textured finish to ensure ease of use. You can get a range of setups to handle anything, including finishes, fillers and primers. And although it's a heavyweight gun, it feels fantastic in the hand with its superb ergonomics. Turn your speakers up. What else comes in the box? First piece looks like a manual or user guide for the product. Sagola provide a simple product leaflet with access to the full user manual for the gun. The second addition is a cleaning brush and hexagonal wrench. And finally, a very sturdy 650 ml reusable plastic gravity cup with filter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.